सह्याद्री वाहिनी, प्रत्येक घरासाठी, घरातल्या प्रत्येकासाठी.
Hello student, welcome to you in biology class. We have already started all about reproduction in lower and higher type of the animals. In our previous part, we have completed everything about pregnancy, parturition, placenta formation and lactation. Apart from started about what is exactly meaning of the term reproductive health, how one can create the awareness about maintenance of reproductive health, what are the different types of the problems created because of lack of awareness about the reproductive health. This we have completed in our previous part. Let us proceed with the next part with the help of PowerPoint presentation. Okay students, say now, birth control methods. In order to maintain the reproductive health, what are the various important types? How one can control the different types of the, or how exactly we can control the population size also. So, temporary methods. These are of following types. Natural method, it work on the principle of avoiding the meeting of ovum and sperm. I will show you diagrammatically how it. Periodic abstinence, a method in which a couple avoids coitus, sexual intercourse. 10 to 17 of menstrual cycle, that is from 10th day till 17th day of menstrual cycle. Now you have studied about menstrual cycle. On 14th day the ovulation takes place and that time the chances of fertilization are highest. So from 10th day till 17th day of menstrual cycle, when the couple will avoid the sexual intercourse, during that time when the ovulation is expected, so ultimately they can control, they can stop, they can avoid the pregnancy. See this type of a table, how it shows. Suppose day of the cycle 1 to 7, this is menstrual phase. Here the higher chance, because from after 7 see possible to conceive, from here till here, because on though it is 14 or 13 or 15 day the ovulation takes place, the secondary oocyst can be given out from the ovary, but still 3 to 4 days before and 3 to 4 days after, that is from 10 till 17 days. If they avoid the coitus, then there are chances of avoiding pregnancy. And this is what is again, if there is no fertilization, again thickening of the uterine lining takes place. So this is how the cycle, it can show typical 28 days of menstrual cycle. So this is what are the temporary type of the method. Now, coitus interrupts or withdrawal is a method in which male partner withdraws his penis from the vagina just before ejaculation so as to avoid insemination. Means before the semen can be discharged into the vaginal passage, withdrawal of the penis takes place by human male so that they can avoid conceiving. Lactational amenorrhea. It is based on the principle that during the period of lactation, whenever mother is showing lactation after first delivery, after parturition, ovulation does not occur. As long as mother breastfeeds child fully, chances of conception are negligible. This is one of the concept. Means when mother is showing lactation, feeding the baby on mother's milk, that time chances of conception are negligible because ovulation does not occur. This is called as lactational amenorrhea. Chemical means. Which are the different types of the chemical means? So, spermicidal creams, jellies, foam tablet are usually used by female partner. This spermicide immobilize or kills the sperm. If sperms are immobilized or they are not alive, then ultimately the fertilization could be avoided. There is no chance of conceiving. Mechanical methods, or these are called as burial methods. See student, though this is the last part of the topic, but most of the time in exam, 1 mark, 2 marks question, odd man out type of the question, which one of the following is not the mechanical mean, or 3 marks question, they are expected on this last part, that is, which are the various different family planning techniques. This method prevents the contact of sperm and ovum with the help of barriers. Such methods are available for both male as well as female partners. Out of which the first important barrier is condoms, are barriers made up of thin rubber sheath used to cover the penis in the male. It prevents deposition of ejaculated semen into the vagina of the female. Nirod is most widely used type of the contraceptive. Diaphragms or cervical cap and vaults. These are the barriers made up of rubber that are inserted into female reproductive tract to cover the cervix during coitus. They prevent the entry of sperm through cervix. So most of the time this diaphragm or cervical cap, they are provided into that specific tract in case of the female, and because of which the sperm can't enter via cervix. Intrauterine devices, these are also called IUDs. These devices are plastic or metal devices inserted by doctors in the uterus through vagina. Loop, copper T, spiral rings, shield are different types of the IUDs. They prevent the implantation of the ovum inside the uterus, thus woman does not get pregnant. Hope student तुम्हाला समजलं असेल, these are the various different types of the mechanical, or we can say the barrier method. Number 1 condoms, number 2 diaphragm, number 3 intrauterine. So प्रत्येकाच्या अंडर काय काय आहे, you have to make a tabular means form. तुम्ही अभ्यास करताना असं टेबलच्या फॉर्ममध्ये की बिकॉज एखाद्या वेळेस जर एक्झाममध्ये क्वेश्चन आला की विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट मेकॅनिकल मेथड, सो इझिली यू कॅन मेक आउट, यू कॅन फाइंड आउट द करेक्ट आन्सर. Oral or physiological devices. Most of the time the female prefer such a type of the devices. Physiological devices are in the form of oral pills. These are hormonal preparations and check the ovulation, stops the ovulation by inhibiting the secretion of FSH and LH. See, whatever hormonal pills the females are taking. So what these pills are actually doing? These are hormonal preparations which check the ovulation by inhibiting the secretion of FSH and LH, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Women who is taking pills does not release ovum at the time of ovulation and therefore conception does not occur. लक्षात आलंय का? ज्या पिल्स घेतल्या जातात त्या पिल्स मध्ये what exactly will happen? Ovulation can be checked by inhibiting secretion of, because we have studied at the time of ovulation FSH and LH level go on increasing, because of which means whatever it is able to produce the secondary oocyst. But because of these oral pills, it will check this ovulation process. No ovulation, no secondary oocyst. Ultimately, there is no chance of fertilization and conception. Birth control pills have side effect. Now, these pills, they are having some side effect. Of course, they are the mainly formed with the help of hormones. And so they may show some sort of the side effects such as nausea, breast tenderness, weight gaining, slight bleeding between menstrual period. The birth control pill contains, see, what is the major important type of the content? What is the exactly composition of birth control pill? Progesterone and estrogen. Maladi is one of the birth control pill which can be taken daily, while Saheli can be taken weekly, or these are the two commonly utilized type of the birth control pills in India. Now, measures to control birth rate, temporary methods, intrauterine devices and other contraceptives. Some pictures I will show you here. The birth control implant is contraceptive use by the female. It is a tiny, thin rod about the size of the matchstick. It is implanted under the skin of the upper arm. They contain progesterone and estrogen. Actually, their mode of action is similar to that of the pill, and they prevent pregnancy for 3 to 4 years. See now which are the various, this is copper T, how exactly it can be fixed. Here you can see IUD, intrauterine device, right? Then next to that is, see here, these are implanon or Nexplanon. This is diaphragm, then loops. So these are the various different types of the contraceptives which can be utilized by females, or some of them can be utilized by males. Now, these are okay. Till now, whatever we have completed, mechanical, chemical, or different physical type of the barriers, all these are the different ways of temporary methods to control the birth, or these are the family planning controlling method, but they are temporary. Now, which are the permanent birth control method? Vasectomy and tubectomy. Vasectomy. In vasectomy, the vas deferens are tied and cut. Vas deferens, part of male reproductive system, they are tied and cut. But in tubectomy, the fallopian tubes are ligated and cut. Sometime analogy type of question is there. Male is to vasectomy, female is to dash. Or vasectomy is to male, tubectomy is to female. Like this type of the question may be expected. These surgical interventions block the gametes transport and thus prevent the pregnancy. This is the permanent type of the technique. Operations म्हणून म्हटलं जातं, family planning operations. Sterilization operation in male is called vasectomy, while sterilization operation in case of female is called as tubectomy. Now see the diagram. This is what is the permanent method of vasectomy. How it can be, vas deferens can be tied and cut. In case of female, see here how the fallopian tube can be tied and cut. This is called as tubectomy. So these are the different permanent type of the methods. And here we have completed everything about which are the different ways for controlling, or which are the different type of the technique for family planning. Now what is amniocentesis? Very interesting part, student. It is a technique of withdrawing amniotic fluid from mother's uterus. Whenever mother is pregnant, from her uterus, some sort of amniotic fluid can be removed. It can be taken out. This fluid may contain, because we have seen that fetus is floating into the amniotic cavity, amniotic fluid. This fluid may contain fetal cell. In that fluid, some sort of the fetal cells are there. And these cells are used for prenatal test. Chromosomal defect, because in that fetal cell we are getting the chromosomes, and if chromosomal defect in the fetus can be checked by this technique. If we are able to find out the whatever baby is present, whatever fetus is growing in the body of mother, in the uterus of the mother is abnormal, the chromosomal type of the pattern is abnormal, then easily we can find out the defect. However, in India, this technique is illegally used to determine the sex before birth. This is actually one of the very important technique to find out, is there any genetic or chromosomal defect in the developing fetus? But in India, because of malpracticing, sex चेक करण्यासाठी हे टेक्निक वापरलं गेलं आणि म्हणून आज इंडियामध्ये या मेथडला, एमनिओसेंटेसिसला ban आहे. It is illegal type of the things because most of them determine the sex before the birth. Due to social stigma, female fetuses are aborted. मुलगी असेल, abort केलं जातं, and hence now this technique is totally banned. See how the technique occurs. Amniocentesis used to extract the fetal cell for genetic analysis. Ultrasound used to determine the position of the fetus in the uterus. First of all, how exactly the position of the fetus is there in the uterus, that can be checked. Then see here, this is what is the placenta, amniotic fluid in which the fetus is floating. Needle is inserted through the abdominal and uterine wall. See this needle. And some sort of the fluid can be taken out. Amniotic fluid containing fetal cell will be extracted. Centrifuge of extracted fluid and the fetal cell. Cells used in the karyotype, and from this we are able to find out the karyotype. Here 23 pairs of the chromosomes we can make out. So if is it normal, first pair, second pair, whatever the arrangement, because ideal karyotype is fixed. From this karyotype we can make out whether the developing baby is normal or is there any different type of the chromosomal problem, chromosomal defect. So this technique is actually very helpful. Risk associated with amniocentesis. No doubt, though it is very helpful, but what type of risk? Miscarriages, it may take place. Needle injury to the fetus, if the needle itself is infected, then maybe the injury takes place. Leaking of amniotic fluid, yes, the amniotic fluid may get leaked or infection may occur. So these are some risk factors, but actually this technique is very helpful to find out the chromosome defects. Now let us proceed with the next important part. What is medical termination of pregnancy? In day-to-day language, we call it as a miscarriage. Intentional or voluntary, intentional, purposely or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term is called as MTP. That is medical termination of pregnancy. Why again and again I am telling? Most of the time in exam they may use short forms also. So you should know for every term which is the short form, which is the long form for the same. So MTP was legalized by Government of India in 1971 under the strict condition to avoid misuse. MTP is done in the following situation. When it is recommended, केव्हा त्याला परमिशन दिली जाते MTPला? So if failure of contraception used during coitus or rapes. When continued pregnancy is harmful to either mother or the fetus or both. Means whatever fetus is growing in the uterus of mother, if that pregnancy is harmful to any one of them, either fetus or mother or maybe both of them, in that case the MTP can be recommended. It is safe during first trimester. Yes, before fully formed type of the fetus occurs, means more or less in first 3 months this MTP can be safe. Now let us proceed with the next important part, sexually transmitted diseases. Infections or diseases that are transmitted through sexual intercourse are collectively called as sexually transmitted diseases, STDs, or venereal diseases or reproductive tract diseases. See the long form for all. These include gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, genital warts, hepatitis B, HIV. Here I have given more examples. No doubt in our text they have given about gonorrhea and syphilis. But which one of the following is not STD? At least for that you should know the number of different disorders. Prevention of STD. How one can prevent? By following simple principles, STDs can be prevented. Avoid sex with multiple partners, that is multi-partner sexual contact can be avoided. Always use condoms during coitus, during sexual intercourse. Contact a qualified doctor for any doubt in the early stage of infection. If some sort of the infection occurs, you have to contact with the qualified doctors. Infected mother should avoid pregnancy. If mother herself is infected, she should avoid pregnancy. Now, in short here, what is gonorrhea and syphilis? Gonorrhea, it is caused by Diplococcus bacterium, Neisseria gonorrhoeae. The patient feels burning sensation and pain during urination. These are some sort of the symptoms. The incubation period is 2 to 14 days in males and 7 to 21 days in case of female. Incubation period means when the pathogen enters till when the patient shows first symptom, that is called as incubation period. The disease causes inflammation of the mucous membrane or urogenital tract, rectum, throat and eyes. Pus oozes out of penis and there is excessive secretion in vagina. Sexual contact and infected claws spread gonorrhea. How it spreads? The further spread of infection to other parts of the body causes arthritis and female sterility. Sterility, she can't deliver the baby. Children born to patient mothers often suffer from eye infection called gonococcal ophthalmic. If the mother herself is infected and she delivered the baby, then the baby may have the eye infection. In girls, it causes gonococcal vulvovaginitis before puberty. But this is curable by antibiotic treatment. There are some sort of the antibiotic. With the help of antibiotic treatment, it can be curable. The control measures can be taken to stop the spread of infection. Syphilis. It is caused due to Spirochorate bacterium Treponema pallidum. The mucous membrane in genital, rectal, oral regions are affected due to infection. Lesions are caused on the membranes which are called cancre. Whatever membranes are there, they show some sort of the lesions called as cancre. Cancre are formed on external genitalia in males and inside the vagina in females. The primary lesions, if untreated, changes into hard ulcers. If primary lesions are not treated properly, they may changes into hard ulcers which heal spontaneously. But the parasite residing in it invade other tissues. Means the parasite which is there inside, it will go on invading, infecting the other tissue. Secondary lesions are later formed in the form of rash anywhere on the body, accompanied by fever, inflamed joints, and loss of hairs. When primary and secondary lesions are formed on body, the person is said to be highly infective. So student, hope how exactly it causes, कसे symptom दिसतात आणि ते infection कसं spread होणार आहे. So this is how one can understand with the help of such a type of the characteristics. After many years, tertiary lesions appears on the skin, bones and liver. There are degenerative changes in heart and brain. Syphilis is curable with proper antibiotic treatment. Means both gonorrhea and syphilis, they can be curable if some sort of the antibiotic treatment can be given. Now, the last part of the topic we have to study about the next important concept about infertility. Most of the time, 1 mark question may be expected on this. Which are the various different type of the infertility techniques? Inability to conceive naturally. If some of the couple, they are not able to deliver the young ones, what type of problems are there? Natural conceiving can't take place. So, inability to conceive naturally after regular unprotected sex is called as infertility. Causes of infertility, it may be congenital, by birth some sort of the defects are there, physical, immunological, etc. Today, infertile couples are having many options such as fertility drugs, test tube babies, artificial insemination, surrogate motherhood. There are so many options and she can deliver, she can give birth to that of the young ones. There are a number of different options. Special technique used for infertility are commonly known as assisted reproductive technologies, ART. These are some sort of the special type of the techniques. IVF, ZIFT, GIFT, ICSI, AI, IUI. I will let you know all the long forms are some of the techniques used for fertility. Say now, assisted reproductive technology, then in vitro fertilization, ICFI intracytoplasmic sperm injection, zygote intrafallopian transfer, gamete intrafallopian transfer, artificial insemination, intrauterine insemination, etc. So you should know all the long form. IVF, commonly this technique is called test tube baby. IVF means it is the fertilization outside the body, followed by embryo transfer. In IVF, the ovum and sperm are collected and fertilization is done outside the body, in vitro, म्हणजे बॉडीच्या बाहेर. Zipped. It is an infertility treatment used when there is blockage in the fallopian tube, in which the zygote is transferred to the fallopian tube. Means fertilization is done outside and then zygote can be transferred into the fallopian tube. Gift. In this technique, an ovum is collected from donor mother and transferred to fallopian tube of another woman. She provides the suitable environment for fertilization and development. ICSH, it is an in vitro fertilization in which a single sperm is directly injected into the cytoplasm of the ovum. See students, so advanced type of the techniques are there. AI, artificial insemination. In this method, the semen collected either from husband or a healthy donor is artificially introduced into the vagina or into the uterus of the mother. This technique is used in case where the male is unable to inseminate the sperm in the female reproductive tract or due to very low sperm count, oligospermia, in the ejaculation. So these are the various important type of the infertility type of technique. IUI, it is like artificial insemination. The only difference is that the sperms are introduced into uterine cavity instead of cervix. Sperm bank or semen bank, a place which collects towards and provides the human sperm or semen, is called a sperm bank. The semen is provided by healthy donor. Last important technique, adoption. A legal process by which a couple or a single parent get legal right and responsibilities associated to the biological kid. म्हणजे अडॉप्ट करू शकतात, लिगली ते एखाद्या बेबीला अडॉप्शन करू शकतात. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द टेक्निक विथ द हेल्प ऑफ विच वन कॅन बिकम पेरेंट. So this is how number of different type of the infertility techniques can be utilized. These are some multiple choice question. Practice all this question by yourself. Try to find out the correct answers. 1 mark question, multiple choice type of the questions in detail. In today's part, we have completed one of the very important topic, reproduction in lower and higher animals. Student, in this part, we have completed more or less different important concept. When you will listen, when you will read the topic, try to make your own notes. Write down all the important points in the notebook. First of all, what is exactly reproduction? 2 different methods of reproduction, 2 different phases of our life cycle, juvenile and reproductive. Then we proceed on different physiological phases of reproduction, starting from gametogenesis till parturition, male reproductive system, female reproductive system, gametogenesis, fertilization. After fertilization, the post-fertilization changes which includes cleavage, blastulation, gastrulation, organogenesis. Organogenesis which takes place during pregnancy. Pregnancy, how it can be supported with the help of placenta formation. After completion of pregnancy, delivery of the fetus, fully formed baby occurs. After delivery, the lactation period starts. Till here we have completed whole growth and development of the fetus till delivery. Now, followed by this, the next important part of the topic, which is again one of the very important concept, reproductive health. How to maintain reproductive health, which are the various important type of, family planning type of the techniques, which are temporary, which are permanent type of the methods that we have completed. 2 major important type of the STDs, gonorrhea and syphilis, we have completed. And in the last part of the chapter, we have completed all about number of different infertility type of the techniques. Hope student, you understand all the different points. Take out your own notes. At the end of the chapter, I have given you some questions, some MCQs. Try to solve all these MCQs. Thank you, student.